It's easy to load, and data recording starts automatically. The GeoStar LQS works in the background thanks to the intelligent LQS software. For the operator, there is no extra work. The digital communication module with integrated display shows all of the key welding parameters: heat, speed, pressure, and voltage. The optional Live View function enables mirroring of the display to a smartphone. The Leister quality system is a big help and will reduce time-consuming paperwork. Thanks to the data recording with GPS function, each weld seam is recorded and documented with location.
Das LQS-System von Leister ist das erste Baustellentaugliche.
Time savings thanks to modern technology bring clear competitive advantages. We are convinced that this is the right path, and we can also make a valuable environmental contribution.